Okay, now let's go ahead. So now the third is activity. Now understand why I'm telling you. आपने जो भी खाया, whatever you had, huh? So what we do, suppose you had a heavy dinner, to make sure you do activity in the morning. Make sure. So why every day it is said that there should be activity in the morning, because suppose you're not able to digest your food last night or last days, in the morning while doing any activity, you will still in within 1 hour you will able to digest it out. Okay, so that is whole perspective. Exercise is to why, see, the sweating comes. What sweating comes? It removes your toxins, whatever the oil, ghee, butter, and the gravies and the creams, and we like it so it looks so tasty. But whatever the toxins which is not good for health, if it remains in the body, will remove while doing exercise, running, jogging, cycling, any form of exercise, yogas, anything. Okay, so understand it is whole for your body. Khaya, see, understand, more of water, more of liquid, less of solid. Okay, what happened? Whatever its intake, just crush it down, it should digest. तो क्या होगा, वो बॉडी क्या होगा, फ्लश आउट हो जाएगा, सब खराब चीज, टॉक्सिन्स निकल जाएगा, एंड इवेंचुअली दैट एक्चुअली द स्किन विल लुक क्लियर. Lots of pimples, lots of acne, lots of skin's problem, because their gut is not proper. You're just eating without seeing here and there, just eating, and there is no appropriate of timings and all that. And why other thing, yoga? See, yoga, the exercise and everything is fine. I know you all know the benefits, because the flexibility improves your bones, whatever the protein you're going to intake. Okay, the flexibility makes better, and the movement, the blood flow, and the lets of health problem. But in yoga, we do pranayam. What is pranayam? It's not only inhale and exhale. It's about cleaning your food pipe. Whatever the oil, the toxin is still there in your body. And you put good oxygen and remove your bad toxins also. So this is medicine. This is actual grooming. Understand, this is not something that you should feel boring. This is actually, if you focus on your diet, if you focus on your water, if you focus on your activities, if you focus on your sleep, actually these are the main things for your grooming sessions. जब तक आप ये इनसाइड फॉर्मेशन नहीं वर्क करोगे, how much cream, how much makeup you will do, it will still create a gap. Only, what happened, it will just make you little layer, but actual shine comes from inside. We now see the celebrities, they do so many treatments, I agree, but still they have a very clear sort of body. Yesterday I was going through that one of the reels that Kartik Aaryan, the new movie, I don't know, Chandu Champion or something like that. So he has not taken sugar for 1.5 months. No doubt he's getting, the ample of money and ample of fame and everything. But we can still make it little lesser. Okay, so now understand, yoga, do pranayam. Pranayam will clean your thought. See the food pipe. Good oxygen will go. See, when the oxygen will go inside your kidneys, and everything will be clean, detoxified. Understand this, okay? So now the fourth element is sleep. We all know we are going to sleep, but why? See, divide your day into 8 hours. We all have 24 hours. So 8 hours for activities, 8 hours for works, and 8 hours for sleep. I already told you that understand yourself as a mechanism. Aapka body एक machine hai. Okay. Now machine needs a rest. Then only he will flourish the day after tomorrow. We sleep by 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, and we need to get up 6 in the morning. See, if we only don't understand our body, then who will look after it? And all the major problems of health is coming due to food, sleep, water, and activity. If these four elements are inappropriate, your health will be absolutely fine without any medication. But you already damaged so much, and you have some issues, then you need to repair that thing and you need to start with these things. Okay, so first, these four things need to be considered in the first place. The body, you want your body to be shine naturally.